children, welcome back to e-learning classes of PN Amarsi High School. Hope you all are safe. Let's begin our new poem, Cavity, the Mystery Cat. Before we start the poem, let me introduce this character to you. Cavity is a fictional or imaginary character in one of the T.S. Eliot's poetry book. McCavity is a cat, but it has been despised as a criminal. Hardcore criminal you see in movies, which are very difficult to catch. McCavity is also like that character who does the crime but vanish from the scene. None of the police could ever catch him. This thing reminds me the dialogue of the movie Dawn that Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. So this dialogue fits to this mysterious cat. Poet T.S. Eliot has so beautifully describes this cat in his poem, giving such minute details of his looks and the character. At one point of the time you really feels, does this cat actually exist? Let's begin. But before we start the poem, let me introduce T.S. Eliot. Thomas Stern Eliot was born on 26 September US in 1888. He was a poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic, and an editor. In 1914, he moved to England for settlement work and marriage. He won a Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948. Order of Merit also in 1948. He died on 4th January at the age of 76 in London. This poem has been taken from his Old Possums book of practical cats. Let's start reading a poem now. Cavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. Children, you know that McCavity is a mystery cat. He is called a hidden paw as nobody can catch him. He is a bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squad could not. Flying squad means a group of police or soldiers who are ready to move into action quickly. They also cannot catch him. When they reach at the scene, McCavity is not there. McCavity. There's no one like McCavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. Here it is said that McCavity is not compared to anyone. Here he can break every human law and even break the law of gravity. Law of gravity means he can fly in the air and he can go anywhere. He has a power of levitation, means floating in the air without any support, can make a fakir stare. Fakir is a kind of magician or a person who has nothing. And when you reach at the scene, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. Children, you can find him anywhere in the basement or look in the air, but you can't see the McCavity anywhere. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. And McCavity is a ginger cat, means he has a color of ginger and he is very tall, thin, and you can know him if you saw. Sunken in means his eyes are little inside, deep in his head, and his brow are deeply lined, means always there are thoughts in his mind. He is thinking something, and his head is highly domed, means it is always covered with a rounded thing. His coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed, he sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Coat is dusty from neglect means he has no time to clear it himself, and his whiskers are always uncombed means he is busy with the crime. He has no time for himself, and he moves his head like a snake from this side to that side, and you can't trust him because when you think he's half asleep, he's awake, he's wide awake. Macavity, Macavity, there's no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime's discovered, then Macavity is not there. And here it is stated that Macavity is really too smart criminal. It is true that he has done the crime, but when the crime is discovered, you can't find Macavity anywhere. So children, this was really very beautiful poem by T.S. Eliot. Now let's move to the vocabulary. First stanza, there is mystery. It means unknown. Criminal means one who commits a crime. Defy means disobey. Bafflement means confusion. Despair, it means sadness. In the next stanza, you can see levitation. It means raising, floating in the air without support. Fakir, one who lives alone. Stare, to look continuously. Seek means search. Basement means underground area. Next, there is ginger cat, a cat whose color is like ginger's. Sunken means deep inside. Brow, eyebrow. Domed means shaped like a dome. Next comes dusty. Dusty means dirty, neglect, to ignore. Whiskers are long hair growing near nose in animals. Sways means moves. Next comes fiend means devil, like monster. Feline means species or family of cats. Depravity means immorality, cruelty. By street means at the side of a street. Square, an open space in the center of a town. Children, hope you understood the poem very well. There is no confusion in the explanation. I'll send you the PDF soon as it is possible. Till then, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.